Hey Andy, all good news for you, buddy. This thing works beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You gotta close the hatch, else it won't work. You close the hatch. Put it on auto cycle, you hit down. It's that phase converter, that's why it didn't kick in right away. When it's coming down, bypasses the handle. When it hits bottom, it'll automatically come up. Watch. Everybody gauges, that's the depth of the squashing it. The outside, what you want. Watch when it hits bottom. Boom, hit bottom, cycles back up again. And the door will open up and it'll shut off. See that? Runs sweet. That's chattering initially was due to the phase converter. Once you got to get that three-phase motor started, and then the phase converter kicks out and takes off. Sweet. Sweet machine, yes sir. Far better than I expected.